I'm John Klusnick, president of Bonnet Pro, and today we're going to go over your low moisture encapsulation cleaning procedures for a single and two-step method. So whether you're brand new and a beginner or a veteran in the field, I hope you'll get something from this video that helps you take care of your customers, put a smile on their face, and put money in your pocket. Let's get started. It's IICRC standard to pre-vacuum before any type of carpet cleaning. Vacuuming will also remove a layer of soil that will not use up your cleaning solution, making it more effective. Remember, every step done correctly not only makes the next step easier and more efficient, but it also gives you a better end result. Always remember to put out your wet floor signs to ensure safety and prevent accidents. After your end cap cleaner is selected, in this case odorless surround free mixed at 4 ounces per gallon, mix your selected end cap to manufacturer's dilution guidelines using a measuring cup. First, fill your tank with water. This will reduce foaming, and then add your measured chemical amount. Select your bonnet and center it under the pad drive. I like to spray in front of the machine so within a second or so I am on moist carpet. This not only starts the cleaning process, the moisture provides lubrication and cooling, protecting the carpet's fibers. A dry bonnet can melt olefin carpet in as little as 8 seconds. But done with correct equipment, chemicals, and training, bonnet cleaning is very safe for carpets and beneficial. With any carpet cleaning method, your chemistry does the bulk of the cleaning. Heat and agitation contribute, but the chemistry is what separates the soil from the fiber and pulls it into and holds it in the water molecules with the cleaning chemical. If this reaction does not occur, all the heat or agitation in the world will only give you slight improvements. If the soil conditions are very light, you may not have to overlap, but for everything else you want to overlap by 50% as seen in the video. When bonnet cleaning, you need to remember that wet is attracted to dry. This is why you want to use equipment that can spray down the encapsulant. This makes your operation a single step and much faster and more profitable, and will improve your results. Your carpets will have a more evenly cleaned appearance and will dry more evenly. The bucket method after the first wringing uses contaminated water and will be very wet in the beginning and drier at the end, making the results less effective and efficient. Your chemicals clean, your bonnets or vacuum in the case of hot water extraction, carry the suspended soil from point A to point B. Your water is holding the chemical and the suspended soil, so you need enough of it for soiling conditions. As an example, with surround products we look for a light milk mustache. This usually indicates enough cleaner is on the carpet. An even distribution of the foam is what you want. Not enough and the carpet may not have enough cleaner on it to be effective. This can reduce your results and possibly cause friction damage. As a general rule of thumb, 300 to 400 square feet per mixed gallon of encapsulation cleaner is needed. This also helps you to determine how much product you will take on your jobs. Say you have a 10,000 foot job. You're going to clean more than 10,000 feet of carpet due to overlaps or areas being done a second or third time. So make sure you have enough solution and bonnets on hand to double or at least by 50% of what your job total is. That way you won't run out in the middle of a job. Now for your two-step encapsulation, for more heavily soiled carpets, the same rules still apply. We are just doing the process twice with different tools under the machine. Here using Revive encapsulation pads, they will scrub more thoroughly than any bonnet currently produced. After you have loosened the soils, you can leave them to be encapsulated at a later date, or if you are not completely happy with the results, you can now go back over the loosened soil with an absorbent soft bonnet to collect the soil immediately. This will help to brighten most carpets, and whatever is left behind from the two-step process is then encapsulated and vacuumed out later. Low Moisture's original intent was for maintenance, but by using the two-step method, you may be surprised just how big of a difference you can make on heavily soiled carpets, thus saving time and cost over hot water extraction. Extraction is still a necessary and useful tool, but is more time-consuming, invasive, and costly. If you still need more impact, you may also add a booster such as Surround Boost All. This type of booster will release oxygen that will brighten discolored or dull fibers and increase your cleaner's ability to remove soil on the toughest jobs. This should be mixed with hot water to activate the booster. This also allows you to use your current cleaner and boost it only when needed. It will also help reduce or eliminate many odors, helping to freshen the carpet, and is much more cost effective than peroxide type end caps that need 10 or more ounces per gallon. Plus, it has a longer shelf life. Some of the carpets we saw in this video were very heavily soiled. It's highly recommended to apply a high quality carpet protector. This will enable you to have much higher quality appearances between cleanings. Go to bonnetpro.com, scroll over Encapsulation, and click on Guardian. Under the Guardian Protector link, you will find tips and information on how to properly apply your carpet protector. Gary Player said, "The harder I work, the luckier I get." I think this is true because you start to build momentum. Educate yourself and become an expert in whatever you do. In my earlier years before Bonnet Pro, I earned an IICRC Master Cleaning Certificate and many other certificates with the IICRC. I also went to people like Chuck Violan to learn about sales. This breeds confidence when you invest in yourself. And with your expertise, you will command a higher price. When people see you as confident, not arrogant but confident, they will also believe in you and recommend you. I hope this video has in some way helped you in your business. Please also go to www.bonnetpro.com where you can get more free end cap information, and you will also have access to many of the tools and specialty chemicals that we supply that will also help you go farther and clean better. Take care.